Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily set up your two-factor authenticator in ClickUp. First things first, we have to log in into the ClickUp account, which should not make any type of problem, and we will find ourselves in our workspace. So we are here, and what we want to do is focus on bottom left part of our screen and click on these two. Well, in your case, there should be a logo of a company and initials of the company and your initials. And we want to go to My Settings in this pop-up window, and you see my name and everything, password, and this is a two-factor authentication option. What we want to do is click on Authenticator app and enable it. You can pick from 4 options. Personally, I'm using Google Authenticator, and once you click, all you have to do is scan this QR code. In Authenticator, you will just scan it just like that, and once you do that, once you scan it, you write down the password and set up. You have successfully enabled two-factor authenticator, and just like that, you are secured and good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.